Hello, my name is Tok. I just would like to introduce you about my country, Thailand, and now I live in Bangkok. I'm gonna give you some tips or some place that or the food or something in general about Thailand, and maybe you will have some idea in case you like to travel here. So hope you enjoy later on with my videos and see you for the next time. Bye bye.
Hello, we are still at the Luang Rama 9 to another spot here. In front of you, you will see a big building that is like a kind of a hall, maybe for the exhibition. And also, when the camera pan here, it has also the King Rama 9 speech as well in front, like a kind of a small monument here. So it just says something like would like the people in Thailand to be like a behave good and be a good people and don't cause the problem to each other because we have to like a kind of promote or encourage the good people to rule Bangkok or rule Thailand. So, and when you see, we will pan the camera in the wide angle here, you will see a big human-made pond. I think it's not natural, definitely, but like a kind of people or human made it happen to be a big pond like this. So, and on the my right hand side, you can see like a paddle wheel. It look very cute and look very approachable for the children to go or even with the adult. It look like a duck paddle wheel. And also, if you see like a far further down there, you can see somebody also start to paddle already there. And the grass here, people come also just lying on the grass, just chill out, relax. And even pigeons also find the food to eat. I can see it's like a heron somewhere there. You can see that one, a long leg one. That one is look more like a heron for me, but not sure about the breed yet. So basically it's gonna be like this and look very nice. And now it's breezy and you can see the pigeon, a lot of pigeons coming and find the food to eat because sometimes I think people just come to picnic here and left the food on the grass there. So, and if you see more things, it's like a kind of tree here. It seems like for me, it look like a coconut more than a palm one, but it look quite like because they just make it look nice and not too messy, so not have many coconut left on the tree. All right, so I hope you see a little bit more of Luang Rama 9 about the big pond here. And if you like to come here and enjoy the paddle wheel, you're welcome. So hope you enjoy it and see you for the next time. Bye bye. Hello, we are still at the Luang Rama night and I would like to show you another spot of it. Now you can see it's near to the playground and also the equipment for exercise there. We found out the bicycle that it can show that when someone start to pedaling and the windmill start to wind up and get through the water and they produce oxygen in the water. So it's quite amazing and it's quite a nice area and it's very good exercise and also good for the environment as well. And we just see how it's gonna be more and look, they're just paddling and like I said to you over there, it has some more bicycle and somebody start to work out already. So even it's over, it still work out. Seem like the girl tried to paddling more and more, and let's see how it goes. All right. I hope you see it and enjoy it. See you for the next time. Bye bye.